Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Mitsubishi Lancer steering wheel. First, understand that the steering wheel locks as an anti-theft feature when the key is removed and the wheel is turned. This is a very common occurrence and usually quite simple to resolve. Don't panic if your steering wheel feels stuck. It's designed to do that for your vehicle's security. The easiest way to unlock it is by using the jiggle and turn method. Insert your key fully into the ignition. Now, gently but firmly jiggle the steering wheel from side to side. While doing this, apply slight turning pressure to the key in the ignition, attempting to turn it to the on or ACK position. This should release the locking pin. If the initial attempt doesn't work, don't get discouraged. Sometimes it requires a bit more effort. Try applying a little more force to the steering wheel as you jiggle it while simultaneously turning the key. Also, double-check that you are using the correct key and that it isn't bent or damaged. Never force the key, as this can cause costly damage. To prevent your steering wheel from locking again, simply avoid turning it after you've removed the key from the ignition. This small habit can save you a lot of hassle. Always try to park your Lancer with the wheels straight if possible. Remember, this lock is a security feature, so understanding how it works makes it easy to manage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.